Boost your English with the Oxford Collocations Dictionary App. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our series on enhancing your English proficiency. Today, we're going to be exploring an incredible resource at your disposal, the Oxford Collocations Dictionary App. This resource is specifically designed to help you improve your language comprehension and expression by focusing on a critical aspect of advanced vocabulary: collocations. Before diving into the app, let's quickly refresh our understanding of collocations. In the simplest terms, a collocation is a combination of words that are often used together in English. They include word pairs like brush your teeth, take a shower, or make a decision. Mastering collocations is a key step towards sounding more natural and fluent in English. The Oxford Collocations Dictionary App is a digital version of the well-respected Oxford Collocations Dictionary. It's designed to help users understand and use the English language more effectively by focusing on the way words work together. With this app, you can access a vast database of collocations, see examples of how they're used in sentences, and practice using them yourself. This makes it a fantastic tool for improving your English proficiency. To use the app, all you have to do is enter a word into the search box, and the app will display a list of words that often go with the one you entered. You can also click on any collocation to see examples of how it's used in context. To make your learning more effective, the app also comes with a practice feature. Here, you can challenge your understanding of the collocations you've learned by taking quizzes and playing word games. The app provides instant access to thousands of English collocations, making it an excellent resource for both beginners and advanced learners. It's easy to use, highly interactive, and can be accessed on the go, making your learning experience flexible and convenient. Remember, by using this app regularly, you can significantly improve your comprehension and expression in English, making you sound more natural and fluent. That's it for today's video, everyone. I hope you found this review of the Oxford Collocations Dictionary App helpful and inspiring. Remember, language learning is a journey, not a race. By incorporating resources like this app into your study routine, you're taking an important step towards English proficiency. As always, happy studying, and I'll see you in our next video.